the library tab in Apple Motion. As I introduced in the interface video, here on the left side is your library tab. So here on the library, you can access your behaviors, filters, generators, shapes, and some other stuff. One reason for beginners to use the library tab is because you can see the preview of the behavior, the filter, and the generators. For example, here on the behaviors, and if we go to camera, we will have this different behaviors, and if we click one, you can see the preview here on the upper corner. Similarly, if we go to filters and go to the distortion part and select black hole, you will see the preview of the filter itself. You can also access some 3D objects in here. So if you go here to the 3D objects, you can see all the 3D objects installed in Motion. You can also download some files. Just remember that the file format is USDZ. You can also access your music and photos inside this library tab. So that's the library tab in Apple Motion.